Hi, this is the house of FrankE. Gleich kommen die Jungs von Beautifuls und wir treffen uns für unsere Lazy Sunday Afternoon Session, die wir künftig als Broadcast in unregelmäßigen Abständen der Welt aufdrängen. Erstes Stück heute, Nature of the Eye. Viel Spaß.
Nature of the eyes of you, looking at you, what can I do? Nature of the eyes of you is looking at you, kid, what can I do? What I see is all the depth and grace in your vivid face, how I love your face. What I see is mighty clear and real. Got a crush on you, babe, the way you make me feel. Climbing up the tower, I can feel the power. Beauty of your soul just can't do. Jumping in a river, you're giving me the shivers. Why you make me feel so brand new? Nature of the eye is the view. Looking at you, what can I do? Nature of the eyes of you is looking at you, kid, what can I do? All you got is all the charm and style, 80s arm and smile, sweet Lantigo child. The way you move has got a certain groove. Got a crush on you, babe, coming up real smooth. Climbing up the tower, I can feel the power. The beauty of your soul just can't do. Jumping in a river, you're giving me the shivers. Boy, you make me feel so brand new. Blood of depth and grace, the vivid face, how I love your face. All I see is mighty clear and real. Got a crush on you, babe, the way you make me feel. Climbing up the tower, I can feel the power. The beauty of your soul just can't do. Jumping in the river, you're giving me the shivers. Why you make me feel so brand new? The nature of the eyes of you, looking at you, what can I do? Nature of the eyes of you is looking at you.